Hi, in this demo, I'm just going to give you a overview of purchase requisition monitor dashboard. So this is a custom dashboard. This is not coming from Fiori Launchpad. It's a custom designed dashboard for a standalone application in which we have listed out different functionality for purchase requisition monitor, which includes create PR, process PR transaction, send to Globus transaction. You can delete those PRs. Then we had a little analytical application running over here in the backend HANA system, in which we are performing some analytics here. So it's like a step-by-step process. So first you can launch this create PR application using which you will be able to create a purchase requisition, and this is a step-by-step process in which you're going to fill out the different information required for purchase requisition. So I'm just setting this banner flight status to be true. Then I'm choosing the material and I'm choosing a vendor. Then in the control data, I'm choosing this rush indicator to normal and escalation level to 3. And I choose some dates for this acknowledgement date and other informations. Then in the demand data, I specify some information. In the contact details, I give the purchasing group and vendor number. And I don't want to maintain any text. I just say create, and it is going to throw a pop-up whether I really wanted to confirm this transaction. I say yes. It has created a PR number which ends with 730. So you can go here and you can also get the information from here. Now when you go back, you can actually see the count has been increased by 1 for all those other informations. Then go to this process PR transaction. Here this is going to list you out all the functionalities, sorry, the PR which has all different status, say which includes new status, deleted status, completed status, and sent to global status, everything. So here we also have a search using which we can search based on the PR numbers, which say for example, if I wanted to search for a PR which ends with, say if you wanted to search with a PR number which we have just created, 100 33730, you can just search based upon the PR number, or you can also search based upon the pattern, what are the different PRs that are available in this particular pattern. And if you click on this, it will clear and you will get all the information again. And here we have a little refresh button in which if somebody has created a PR, if you click on this refresh button, it will load that particular PR as well. So it's basically doing a refresh process over here. And to filter out the PR, we have different filtering criteria, such as you can choose it according to the part number, where I can say I can choose all the materials, or I can choose a different set of materials, and you click on OK, and it is going to filter you the result set according to the material which you have chosen. Or you can just say based upon vendor number or MDI number, or you can say you have desire vendors, or we have this buyer filtering option. Then we have this creation date, and we can also filter it according to the status. Now let's say I just wanted to filter only based upon status. So I'm just going to filter it according to the status. Now this filter, it's not a standard facet filter. This is a custom design filter, exactly similar to that of a facet filter. The restriction that we had in the facet filter is, here we can display only one column of information, and additional information can be provided as a count, which will support only an integer value. Now say if I wanted to display the status code along with the text for the status code, then it is quite impossible. Maybe I can display the text as this column and 01 as the count. But in certain cases where you have this kind of information, where the material number and you have this text, it is literally impossible to specify such a big value in the count property. So we are not able to display collective information over here in the search help. So due to that, we have created our own custom filter. So we have created our own custom filter, and now I'm just going to filter it according to the status. So the status which I have filtered is new status. So whatever the PR which I have created newly, it should be listed out over here, right? Then I think some other filter has been applied, which is why the newly created filter has not been displayed. Okay, so now if a PR, if it is already deleted, now let's say I'm just going to choose a PR which is only in a deleted state. So I have to remain clear the other filters, which includes acknowledgement date if this is not there, buyer, no buyer, decide vendor. Okay, now if a PR is already deleted, then some functionalities are not going to be available for those particular PRs. So these buttons has been disabled. Then we have displayed the information where we have displayed this purchasing header information, PR outline, control data, then demand data, purchasing group, and the corresponding text for that particular thing. So that is what we have displayed over here. You can also sort it according to the status. Now this is going to say you what are the PRs that has been there in the deleted status. Also paging has been included over here. So we have set the growing factor to 20. It will load 20 records from the server. When we click on request for more, it is going to load the remaining records. So that is something that we have done here. And now say let me just filter it according to this material with the status 16 and 17. Now out of this only one is having this deleted state, and I'll just remove the filter for deleted. Now if I sort it according to the status, you can see that deleted has been listed, sent to Globus has been listed, new has been listed, and all. Now going back to this filtering functionality, now let's say I take a PR which is in a new status and I'm going to update some values for this. So I'm just choosing this band of light, and I'm choosing this material number, vendor number, then I'm choosing some date, and enter some demand data here. Okay, then text, it's not implemented. So when I say click on adapt PR changes, I'm going to just save this PR. So now you can see whatever I have specified would have been updated back here. Six, nine. So we'll just go ahead and choose the now. If I'm going to say, I think I have marked this PR by deletion. So okay, so this is the PR which I have updated, which will be having those information which I updated. Then now if I'm going to set deletion to a PR, then you can immediately see that the PR would be moved from this deletion status, sorry, sent to global status to deleted status. Then if I say cancel, then this is going to cancel the transaction, and when I say back, it is going to come back here. And in the send to globus application, we have implemented the same custom filter over here as well. And here we are basically doing a batch OData operation, wherein we are going to do a mass processing as a OData batch. So for example, I'm just going to choose some two PRs, and I'm going to say send to globus. So this would be sent to globus, and those two PRs would be deleted from here, and they would have, their status would have been changed. And in the delete PR application, it is exactly similar to that of send to globus, wherein we have the same layout and same application, and same filter has been deleted, except that the change is that instead of send to globus, we are going to delete the PRs over here, and we have another application for PR analytics, in which, so this takes some times to load because we are loading this sap.viz library, which is taking some time to load. So here we have created this analytic application which displays the analytic details in the over a period of last 7 days. What is the status of this PR? What is the how many quantities has been created and what is their creation date and all. And you can also check it on a last monthly basis, and you can also check it overall for a previous period of 1 year. So we have introduced a scroll bar here in which you can summarize the information. And when you click on this logout button, we have actually created this logout functionality. We have implemented this logout functionality to log out from the application.